Hi everyone, we've had a really busy March and we're looking forward to stepping our toes into April. We wanted to take this opportunity to wish you a safe and happy Easter. If you're wondering, my favourite Easter egg is a white chocolate gold lint bunny. So here it is, our month that was.
And this was our week that was.
Hi guys, just wanting to wish you a safe and happy Easter.
Selling Styles week that was.
Happy Easter to everyone.
Hey, and this is the week that was.
Happy Easter, everyone!
Happy Easter to everyone.
Thank you so much for your support over the last month. It's been a fantastic month for Selling Style and the team. Stay safe, have a happy Easter with your loved ones, with your family, and stay tuned. Next month we have heaps of new styling, heaps of new rooms, new living areas. So stay tuned and have a great time. See ya.